bed. And today...
Okay, I didn't realize how disgusting I looked until I started editing this video, so I'm so sorry for my appearance. Just, wow.
With the approximate no time I have left to film this video, because it is currently getting dark, I was thinking about getting into the Christmas mood. I literally just ran around my house, found a bunch of Christmas things, and I'm about to snazz up my room. So I thought I would show you how I do it and just do it kind of like vlog style, kind of not, kind of mixed in. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. And my camera is flashing, so that's already not a good sign. Let's just jump right into it. Alexa, play Christmas music.
The station holiday favorites on Amazon Music.
That's better. That was the cheesiest thing I've ever done. Now I have to go charge my camera for approximately 10 minutes before I actually do anything, but I thought I'd show you my wonderful pile of Christmas items. Yeah, that's my tripod. It's gonna be beautiful. And my time is quickly running out, so I gotta get started. Task number 1 is the Christmas tree. My Christmas tree isn't the greatest, but let's just put it up and see if it works. Now I don't have a lot of room in my room to actually put a Christmas tree, so I'm gonna have to move this big guy out of the way. Alright, this is the easy part, ready? Well, there you have it, folks. It works. Okay, so I had to turn on my studio lights because the sun is almost completely gone. So we're just gonna roll with it, and I think the lighting looks okay. So I finished the tree, and yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. I do like a theme every year, and this is just pretty much silver and gold sparkles. My camera just really doesn't want to focus, but like, there it is. I have these, or this rather, garland thingy that I found, and it lights up. And I kind of don't know where I want to put it, but I also kind of want to put it on my mirror right here. So I'm going to attempt to do that, and I think I'm going to switch out this disgusting makeup thing that I use every day. I bought these, like, what would you call these? Kind of like pom-pom things. And I don't really know where I want to hang them yet. I think I want to hang them up near my lights on my window because those already work. And this just might add a little red to them. So, ow.